Bonjour les enfants, c'est Madame Delve. Quel plaisir de vous revoir. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi 6 octobre. Mardi 6 octobre. Oh, last week I said lundi 28 septembre. What has changed in the dates? Can you just pause the video and explain to Mrs. Stevens what is the difference? Well done, children, you've guessed right. So, as you guessed, mardi means Tuesday, which is today's date. Mardi is Tuesday. But lundi is Monday. Lundi is Monday. We have also changed month. Last week we were still in September, which is septembre. Septembre. But also the months have changed and now we are in October. October, which is very similar to English, isn't it? Octobre. Okay, so aujourd'hui, mardi, we are going to carry on with greeting words, but also we're going to recap what we've learned last week. Now, I've just met my son in the corridor and he just said to me, Comment ça va? Comment ça va? What did he ask me? Comment ça va? What did he ask me? Pause the video and tell Mrs. Stevens what he means. That is correct. I mean, how are you? Right. Comment ça va? How are you? So, I'm feeling rather good today. So, I'm going to say, ça va bien. Merci. Ça va bien. Merci. But yesterday, I was even better. So, if somebody asked me yesterday how I was, I would have said, ça va très bien. Merci. What about you? Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Comment ça va aujourd'hui? So, have a think. You could say, ça va bien, I am good. Or you could say, ça va très bien, which is I'm very good. Or you could say, comme ci, comme ça, if you're not so sure. Or you could say, ça ne va pas. Or you could say, ça va mal, which means the same. Ça va mal. Can you remember? So what I would like you to do is to pause the video and have a little chain with your partner. Ask your partner how he is or she is saying comment ça va and just wait for his answer. Bravo tout le monde, bravo. You've all joined in. Now, listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do it again. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What am I doing? Can you explain, Mrs. Stevens? What am I doing now? Well done, children. I'm counting from 1 to 10 in French. Listen. 1, 2, 3. Have you noticed the S? You can't hear it. 4. Oh, the Q and a U is a K sound. 5. 6. 7. 7. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Because the P is actually silent, but you can hear the T. Usually you can't hear the last consonant of the word. Are you ready? Let's carry on. 8. 8. Oh, you can't hear the H here, can you? It's silent too. We know that. H is always silent, isn't it? 9. 10. Can you pause the video and have a go yourself? Can you count in front of the class? Have a go. You're doing so well, children. Well done. Okay, now, if someone asks you, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? What is the person asking you? What do you think? I'm just giving you a clue. I am going to show you this word here. What do you think? Stop the video and have a quick chat with your partner and guess what it means. Bravo les enfants. Quel âge as-tu? Means how old are you? How old are you? So, if you look at my numbers on here, numbers in French, I have actually circled le numéro 7 et 8. Why do you think I have done that? Why do you think I've done this? Can you pause the video and have a quick chat with your partner and discuss why? That is correct, because you are year 3, and in year 3 you will be either 7 years old or 8 years old. Okay, so if someone asks you quel âge as-tu, what would you answer in French? In French you would answer j'ai, then you will put your number here and un. Okay, so if you are 7, what is the number 7 again? 7, that's right. So if you are 7 years old, you will say j'ai 7 ans. J'ai 7 ans. J'ai 7 ans. Can you repeat after me? J'ai 7 ans. Très bien. Now, if you are 8 years old, now tell me, what will be number 8? That's right. Number 8 will be 8. 8. So if you are 8 years old, you will say j'ai 8 ans. J'ai 8 ans. J'ai 8 ans. You turn. J'ai 8 ans. Right, let's play the chain game that you played last week. I think you liked it. Right, now Mrs. Stevens is going to start with one child. I'm going to ask, quel âge as-tu? How old are you? So, one of you will reply, j'ai 7 ans. Or, j'ai 8 ans, depending on her or his age. So when you've said your age, what we want you to do is to look at your friend next to you and say, et toi, which means, and you. So your friend will reply and say his or her age, and then you can carry on the chain. Shall we have a go? So Mrs. Stevens is going to ask first of all, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? You need to choose your number, 7 or 8, depending on your age. So you replied, j'ai 7 ans or j'ai 8 ans. Then you look at your friend next to you and you ask, et toi? And then your friend is going to reply and say her or his age. Go for it. Have a go. Now, thinking about numbers, there is a special comptine, which is a nursery rhyme that I used to sing to my children when they were very little. It's about numbers. Let's just see what you can understand. Did you like it? Right. In this little story, the little girl is going in the woods. She's actually counting from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11 and 12, you've not heard of these yet, haven't you? It's 11 and 12. So she's going to the woods, skipping, counting from 1 to 12, and she is planning to pick up some cherries. Cueillir des cerises. Cerise is cherries. And these cherries are going to be red. Rouge. Rouge is red. Right, children. Now I would like you to do this little written activity for me. Okay, let's just have a look. So it says, write the numbers and copy the words. Okay, I've just done your little example on here. It's like a little book. So it says set here, set. So can you copy the word? And in the little oval there, can you write the number in number? Can you have a go? C'est magnifique, les enfants. Bravo. You worked so hard again today. Now, I'm going to conclude our lesson. Okay? So, we are nearly finished. We have nearly finished the end of our greeting topic. So, to conclude next week, what we will do, I will ask you to create your own little passport. Little passport talking about yourself. So, have a think this week and how you would like to present in French your little passport. I'm going to say au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye, children. À la semaine prochaine. Au revoir. Au revoir.